In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fireworks with Elytra on iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Before I begin, I want to make it very clear that I am recording this on my cell phone and not an iPad, but don't worry, I'm still going to give you proper instructions and you will be able to follow along using this video. So I apologize for not recording this on an iPad, but it is still going to teach you on how to do this. So first, make sure that you have the Elytra equipped in your actual armor slot here. So in the equipments, make sure that you have the Elytra good to go. And now grab firework rockets. You can make them using gunpowder, paper, and a firework star, and the more gunpowder that you include in the craft, the longer the flight duration is going to be. Now, make sure that you have the firework rockets selected. According to what I've tested, you cannot have them in your offhand, but if you know of a way to use them here, then let us know in the comment section below. And now, once you are holding the firework rockets, activate the Elytra by jumping and jumping again, and then press and hold on the screen, and immediately you will be sent flying. So it is important that you press and hold on the screen. If you try tapping while activating the Elytra like this, you will notice that nothing happens. So jump again to use the Elytra, and then if you try tapping on the screen, it won't work. But if you activate the Elytra and you press and hold, now you will be able to use the firework rockets. So what you have to do is tap and hold on the screen, and you will begin flying. And like I said before, depending on the flight duration that you have on your firework rocket, you will fly further and further. And every time that you use one, you will gain a lot of speed, a lot of acceleration, and some height. You don't need to spam them. You can use one, fly a lot, and when you notice that you are losing speed or altitude, you can use another. And then just keep flying like this. It is wonderful to explore the world and generate new terrain. When it is time to fall or to land, I recommend that you do circular motions like this to slow yourself down and you won't take any damage. So I hope I was able to help you. Before I end this video, there is something I want to highlight. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if this video helped you, consider subscribing. Your subscription means a lot, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.